Hello and welcome to Story Time with Deepa Kiran. The Wolf and the Goat Kids. That's the story we listen to now. A goat lived near a forest with her little kids. She always tried to keep her kids safe from the wolf who lived in the forest. Mother Goat said, "Children, I have to go to the market to buy some food." The goat kids said, "Okay, Mama." Mother Goat said, "Now listen. Do not open the door if you hear a knock. It could be the wolf." The first goat kid said, "But if you knock, Mama?" And Mother Goat said, "Won't you know my voice? I have a soft voice." The wolf's voice is rough. The first goat kid said, "Don't worry, Mama. We know your voice." Mother Goat replied, "Also, look at the legs through the gap under the door." And the first goat kid asked, "Why, Mama?" Mother Goat said, "The wolf has black legs. My legs are white." The second goat kid said, "Okay, Mama, we will be careful." When the mother goat was leaving, the wolf was nearby. "Bye-bye, my little kids," the mother goat said. "Bye-bye, Mama," the goat kid said. He saw this as a good opportunity. This is my chance to catch and eat the kids. Tuck, 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 tuck. The goat kids shouted, "Mama is back!" The second goat kid said, "Hey, wait! Shh, don't shout!" The third goat kid said, "What happened? What if it is the wolf?" The fourth goat kid said, "I'm scared! I'm scared!" The first goat kid said, "Don't be scared. Let us see." And the second goat kid said, "Yes, let me check." The second goat kid asked, "Who is it?" The wolf replied, "Dear kids, it is your mama. Open the door." The second goat kid said, "No, you are not a mama. Our mama's voice is so soft. Your voice is rough." The wolf realized his mistake and thought of a way to soften his voice. "I will soften my voice by buying honey from here." The wolf gulped down a full bottle of honey. Now my voice is soft too. He went back to the goat's house and knocked. The fourth goat kid asked, "Who is it? Huh?" The wolf replied, "Dear kids, it is your mama. Open the door." The fourth goat kid said, "It's Mama. The voice is soft. But wait, let me check the legs too." "No, you are not a mama. Our mama's legs are white and you have black legs. Get away, you dirty wolf! The wolf ran back to the bakery to make his legs look white. This will make my legs look white. Yes, now my legs are white. Knock, 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 knock. Who's it? The goat kids asked. The wolf replied, Dear kids, it is your mama. Open the door. The goat kids said, Wait, let us check the legs. The first goat kid, It's mama now. But wait, let us recheck if it is really mama. And goat kid 4 asked, How? The first goat kid said, What did you bring for us, mama? The wolf replied, I brought meat for all of you. Now open the door. And the goat kid 3 said, You are a liar. You are not our mama. We don't eat meat. And the first, second, and fourth goat kid also shouted, Get away, you dirty wolf! The wolf realized it was difficult to fool the kids. Just then, he saw the mother goat coming home with her friends and ran away. Oh, the goat is coming with her friends. I must run away immediately. I can't fool these naughty kids.